Welcome to 2100 Boyden Drive in Lincoln's desirable Brookview neighborhood. This 1998-built two-story home sits on a corner lot with mature landscaping, including a stately tree in front. Newly back on the market through no fault of the sellers, this Lincoln property just dropped $10,000 in price and features something hard to find in California suburbs: large RV access and a 3-car garage on a corner lot. At under $300 per square foot for nearly 1,900 square feet, this is considered a good value in Placer County right now. Step inside and immediately notice the soaring high ceilings and abundant natural light that floods this open floor plan. The layout of the rooms flows seamlessly and comfortably from one living space to another. The main level features a formal living room, separate family room with kitchen, and a cozy dinette close to the brick fireplace. This kitchen offers classic tile counters, wood cabinetry, stained in a rich mahogany, an excellent prep space with room to gather and access from two sides. Perfect for guests or multi-generational living, the full bathroom downstairs features tile sinks and floors. An oversized driveway offers access to a large 3-car garage. Combined with the RV parking, you'll have more than enough parking and space to accommodate all your toys. Head upstairs to find 3 generously sized bedrooms, including a private primary suite. With ample room for all your bedroom furniture and plenty of wall space, you can turn the master bedroom into your private sanctuary. The bathroom is remodeled within the last 5 years, giving you modern finishes without the price tag of new construction. Boasting 2 closets, one of them quite deep, and vaulted ceilings, you'll have plenty of space to nest, breathe, and unwind. The home's been recently updated too. Indoor laundry with cabinets, central heat and air, and thoughtful details throughout make this home move-in ready, while leaving you with plenty of options inside and outside to make it your own. Location-wise, you're minutes from Western Placer schools, Thunder Valley Casino, and quick freeway access to Rocklin, Roseville, or Sacramento. Let's head over to the backyard. This is where California living really shines. Whether you're hosting summer barbecues or parking your adventure vehicles, this outdoor space delivers. You've got a custom pergola for shade, a built-in fire pit for those cool evenings, and that massive RV access I mentioned. As we move around the backyard, notice that the other wood structures, fence, and concrete appear to be in good condition. A large, attractive, and well-appointed chicken coop gives you options for food security. And with a corner lot position, you'll enjoy a little extra privacy and yard space while entertaining guests or indulging in your own activities. Priced at $545,000, this home gives you nearly 1,850 square feet at just under $300 per square foot. Compare that to coastal California, where you pay double or triple for the same space without the garage options or RV access. This makes affordable the lifestyle without the price that keeps California dreaming just that, a dream. Plus, with that recent $10,000 price reduction, the sellers are motivated and ready to make a deal. This home has been on the market for 74 days, which we believe gives smart buyers a real opportunity. The sellers have already demonstrated flexibility with that significant price cut. Properties with this combination, 3-car garage, RV access, recent updates, and this much space don't stay on the market long once they're priced right. Ready to see it in person? Contact Tyler West at 530-852-1512 to schedule your private showing. All the details you need are in the description below, including our easy online scheduling.